Hey guys, welcome to episode 46 with me. So today I'm going to Rameshwaram Cafe for sure, and I might visit some of the places in Churchgate. Let's go. So now we are going to go to the Azad Nagar metro station and go to Marol Naka. So guys, अभी हम हैं at Kalba Devi and we have to go to the which cafe are we going to? The Rameshwaram Cafe और हमें metro में. This is the Aqua Line. और this is day 3 of trying to like actually go to Rameshwaram Cafe. I hope आज हो जाए क्योंकि पिछले 2 times या 3 times से it was never possible to go there because of the rush. But today no matter what I have to try it because a lot of people are talking about it and I don't think until 1 year or 2 years I'm ever going to come to Mumbai वापस looking at everything, the situations here. So yeah, not situations मतलब Mumbai as a place is lit, but you know the family issues and stuff like that, joint family things. So yeah, because of that maybe for 2-3 years I will not come to Mumbai. तो उससे पहले I really want to try the Rameshwaram Cafe और हम जा रहे to the Rameshwaram Cafe with Melroy and my dad. So अभी currently हमने दिया है हमारा नाम and it's gonna take approximately 45 minutes, no 35 minutes, so we are gonna wait until then. As we are waiting, I think I should go explore this cafe. What do they have here? Poetry by Cheesecake. I'm gonna check them also out because I didn't find anything in the coffee garden because I'm craving for tiramisu since yesterday. Thank you. And I have a lot of cheesecakes only. I have no idea what is this, but I'm gonna try it. They have like a lot of flavors. पता नहीं क्या है. Personally, I'm not a fan of cheesecake. That's why I did not like the cheesecake scoop, which I tried for tiramisu. So I took just a normal tiramisu. This is a chocolate tiramisu apparently. I don't know what's tiramisu in this, but I'm gonna try it. So this is actually good. It is a tiramisu, but it is not a tiramisu. It is like a chocolate cake with coffee flavor basically. And this is actually good. So finally हमारा queue number आ गया है and we have to enter within 5 minutes to reserve our slot. So we are running to Rameshwaram Cafe. So I'm checking the menu now of the Rameshwaram Cafe. Pineapple sheera with idli and this is mendu vada. So speaking of the cafe, overall the taste was amazing according to my dad and Melroy. They loved it, but I don't have sambar so I couldn't like try it. I did try it but I found it normal, but for them it was extraordinary and amazing. However, the masala dosa and the mendu vada and idli were actually really good, like above average. So I would definitely recommend everyone interested in South Indian cuisine to come and try the Rameshwaram Cafe. It's located near like the Churchgate metro station, which is the Aqua Line metro station specifically. And there was a waiting of around 45 minutes as you all know, but हमारा turn 25 minutes में ही आ गया था. You can like track your turn. So yeah. और अभी हम बस बिल देने वाले हैं, I mean पैसे देने वाले हैं, asking for the bill. I think approximately it should cost us around 1500 to 1800 for the whole thing. So it is on the pricier side and the quantity was quite less if you think about it as a normal person. But for once in a while to try it and stuff, it was actually worth it. So yeah. अभी हम जा रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? हाजी अली जा रहे हैं और फिर कहाँ जाएंगे? Yes, let's go. Guys, this is the way to Haji Ali. This is the view with the Arabian Sea on both the sides and Haji Ali straight ahead. This is the temple Mahalakshmi और यहाँ पे हम अभी अंदर जाएंगे. Okay? ये ले लेते हैं. ले ले. ये है weather guys. Amazing weather. Love it. Just love this weather. I think this is what I love about Mumbai. That's it. The weather in monsoons. So we are done with the day today And tomorrow morning we are going to leave to Shirdi Nashik at morning around 5 a.m. Though the thing is that today was a very good day. We went to firstly the Rameshwaram Cafe and उसके बाद Haji Ali and then Mahalakshmi. But the only thing I didn't like about Haji Ali is that the amount of like poor people surrounding that area. Like I'm not against poor and stuff like that, but the amount of poor people surrounded in that area and the level of non-safety present is kind of terrifying because it could have been like a major tourist attraction because of the whole story behind Haji Ali being under seawater, like under the level of seawater and stuff. But because of the area and the population and the way it's maintained, no tourists visit it, and it's a major loss for the Mumbai tourism. That's what I feel. And we also went to the Mahalakshmi temple. There it's a different type of a thing where people are just like pushed in the queues and you don't have like time to even like stand there or worship or anything. So my review on this is that everything is just monetized, which is kind of wrong for a holy place. So I don't know what are your reviews on it or what other people think about it, but for me it's like a holy place should never be like monetized. Like you can't expect someone to pay something to worship something, anything, be it anything. So yeah, that's just my views on it. And अभी मैं जा रही हूँ घर to do the packing. It's around reaching 7 p.m. So देखते हैं कि how does the rest of my day go. Mostly घर पे ही जाएगा because मुझे packing करनी है. But I might get out to get some things to eat on the way. Let's go. Bye guys, signing off for today. Abhi I'm gonna sleep because I have to wake up at 4 a.m. to go to Shirdi. It's basically like a 2-day trip, which is tomorrow and the day after, so which is Monday and Tuesday, or I mean Sunday and Monday. Or for Tuesday I'm gonna come back to Mumbai and Wednesday we are leaving to Abu Dhabi. Wednesday रात को. So Wednesday तो पूरा पैकिंग में जाएगा और सिर्फ हमारे पास Tuesday बचता है. Signing off for today. Bye, good night.